Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video on how you can fix can't connect to this network issue on your Windows 11. I'm going to be showing you different methods on how you can fix it. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. If you're unable to connect to a Wi-Fi network on your PC, then what you can do is first thing, tap on your Windows tab and then on the search box type view network connection. So open the control panel. Once you open up your control panel, you'll be able to see your Wi-Fi network that you're unable to connect. You need to right click on your mouse, and as you do this, click on disable, and once you disable it, you'll need to wait for some times, and then once again do the same procedure, right click on the mouse and click on enable. So this might be able to fix the issue. This does not seem to be helping. Then what you can do is other thing. You can simply click on your Wi-Fi connection right at the bottom and then expand it. Once you click on it, you'll be able to see your Wi-Fi adapter. Now what you need to do is you need to click on disconnect. So you need to right click on this mouse and then click on forget. Once you do this, the internet connection will be disconnected. And after that, you need to type in the password associated with your network connection and you might be able to connect to the network. If you're still unable to fix it, then click on the Windows tab and then type in view network connection once again. Once you open up your control panel, now right click on the mouse and then click on properties from the drop down menu. Now you'll need to select Internet Protocol version 4. Once you've selected it, click on properties once again. On this page, you'll need to switch it to obtain an IP address automatically, and then you'll need to do the same procedure for the next section, that is obtain DNS server address automatically, and then click on OK, and you might be able to fix the issue. Just tap on your Windows tab and then on the search box type in device manager. Once you're on this page, click on network adapter, double click on it and then locate your Wi-Fi or your wireless connection. As you can see, this is mine, so in your case it will be different. Right click on your Wi-Fi adapter and then click on uninstall. Once you're done uninstalling, after that click on actions in the top right and then click on scan for hardware changes. Once you've done this, you need to close this tab. So after that, refresh it and you might be able to fix the issue. So those were the method on how you can fix your can't connect to this network issue on your PC. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.